If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel for fun and or profit, check out the YouTube Producer's Handbook 2nd edition. It's on Amazon right now in paperback and for Kindle. So if that's something you're interested in, check it out. If you want to be notified when Breakfast Club videos go up, remember to subscribe and click the bell.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Hey guys, Nathan Brendan Masters, Breakfast Club Wednesdays. You know, I like money. I've come to the realization that I want to make a lot of money. It's good to have money. Money's fun. You get to buy a lot of shit that you don't need but desperately want. I could buy all the equipment that I want. Get a nice condo, nice car, chicks. Don't forget about the chicks. Big booty Asian girl. That's key right there. You help out some of your friends and family. Key word there being some. And you give a little bit over to charity. And I'm not talking about the stripper at the Boom Boom Room. I mean actual like poor people and stuff like that. And then you kind of kick your feet up and just make cool shit, which makes more money because you have more money to put into it. That's the life for me. That is the life for me. And I'd still be making Breakfast Club videos, though not this late in the evening. And I'd have one of those nice minimalist office spaces that's mainly just space, and you have like a desk, 13-inch MacBook Pro with the Blackmagic Pocket 4K cinema camera. Might get that Blackmagic 4.6K Ursa Mini. And that's for the big money clients. You know how that goes. That's for them Hollywood types. You charge them like about $1,000 a day to shoot on that. Probably more depending on, what kind of money they got. Nice art table, set that up on the other side of the room. Nice futon in the studio. Get one of those gaming chairs instead of an office chair. Get one of those nice gaming chairs to just sit down and edit, Or, you do your little coffee shop edit. You go to like a coffee shop just to get out the office. Fly down to VidCon. See some of my friends in LA. But not going there to stay because I'm bringing my ass back here to Chicago because this is my jam up here. Except when it's cold, then I might literally go live in LA until till summer to come back here. I don't know, I might move to Vegas or something. I might move somewhere where it's not as cold in the winter and get one of those places where it's warm all year round. Maybe I will end up in LA. Not really fond of that. But yeah, that's how we rolling with the big money, baby. That's how we rolling. Hasta.